How to find the OKX wallet address. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find the OKX wallet address. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. So in order to find the wallet address of the OKX application, you just need to download the OKX application into your device. It is available in any of the app stores. After that, just download the OKX and go on with the process of logging in into your account. After logging in into your account, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen first of all. So what you're going to do is just head over to the assets at the bottom. You can easily find the assets option. Just head over to the assets. After heading to the asset section, you will be able to find a deposit section. So you're just gonna go on deposit, and here you need to select a crypto. So I'm just gonna select a USDT or USDC for now. You may also select that if you are using that crypto. After selecting the crypto, you need to select a deposit network. So I'm just gonna select the USDC ERC20. You may also select that one right there. After selecting, so you just need to get over to the another page where you'll be finding this deposit address and save QR code. So this is the withdrawal address of OKX of your device, of OKX withdrawal address of your account. So this is the deposit address. You may just copy that address, or you may just use this QR code that is available on your account in order to deposit. After that, when you deposit, you should be able to see this mini deposit arrival, withdrawal, unlock, and contract address. You may just go on with the process of depositing your crypto, and that should do it. So therefore, that's how you find your withdrawal address on OKX application very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.